it's your girl Elo for life, and today I am going to do a video on another headband wig. So this is a headband wig that I have actually purchased a long time ago, and I have not used it yet. Go figure. I've used my other headband wigs, but I have not used this one. So the reason why I purchased this headband wig, because I usually wear curly wigs, and I really wanted something different. I kind of wanted to change it up a little bit. So I went and purchased a headband wig, a straight headband wig, and we're going to go ahead and get into the video because I'm just kind of curious as how this is going to look on me. And of course I wear my little tie head bonnet that I love so much. So the wig that I got today is from Luvme Hair. Of course, it was on sale. So Luvme Hair has a nice little conservative packaging. It says Luvme Hair on it. Affordable luxury wigs. And I do like the box because it feels kind of velvety. So this is how it comes in the box, in the little purple bag. I'm pretty sure y'all seen a lot of that on YouTube already. So the headband wig that I purchased, I forgot the name of it, but maybe I'll insert a little clip of it in my video, is the let me see. Oh, I don't have the card in here either. So like I said, I purchased this a while ago. The one thing I do hate about headband wigs is these little Velcro strappy things. Those can tend to get on your nerves, especially if you get caught in the hair and cause the hair to like tangle up in there. But let me go ahead and give you all my first impressions. So of course, this wig does come with 2 combs at the, was it 2 or 3 combs? Hold on. It comes with, okay, so it comes with 3 combs, 1, 2, and 3, and 1 over here, and then you got 1 at the bottom, of course, and then you have your, see, here, already getting in there, and then you have the little one at the bottom. One thing I hate about these combs, one, I don't like to put these combs in my hair, because I don't want it to snag on my hair, for one. And if you do use combs, they're not sturdy a lot of times. So they eventually, the tug and the pull will actually loosen them and cause them to come loose. And the color is a natural black, of course. Now, I had thought about dyeing this headband wig to black, like a black, since I dye my hair black, and I'm just curious on how the color is gonna take on that. But as you can see, it definitely looks full. The inch on this, I'm really not sure, so I will go ahead and once I go back and look at my order, I don't have it in front of me to see what length this is, but I'm pretty sure this is like somewhere around a 14-inch. That I had gotten from Luvme Hair, and like I said, it was on sale, so it's been sitting in a box, so it definitely needs to be straightened, and I'm going to go ahead and straighten that. I don't know if I'm going to do it on camera or not, but I'm going to go ahead and straighten the wig, and maybe I will do it on camera. But I do like the density of the wig itself. The hair is very, very, very soft. Let me see if it has any, like, you know, see, this is what I'll be looking for, like these little strings and stuff. So, because you know, see like this, sometimes you got like little strings, you see it on your wig. That means your wig has like little fillers and stuff in it. So, maybe that's the reason why it was so cheap. So that tells me, for one, this wig is not going to last that long. I'm curious on how a color will take on it. I hope it doesn't damage. See, I got some more of that. I have some more. So, you know, this is like a low-end quality. This is like a low-end quality wig. I'm just going to tell you that right now. Because you got those little fillers, those little pieces in there that I don't like. Let me go. What I'm going to go and do is I'm going to go ahead and straighten this off camera. and then I will come back and put this on my head for you all. Okay, y'all, I am back. I've lightly flat ironed the hair. So the flat iron I used was this Babyless Pearl that you can get from Sally's. It is a titanium. I believe this is a 1 1/4 inch flat iron. And this is what I used to flat iron this hair straight, or this headband wig straight. And this is a really good flat iron. I did do a comparison video between this flat iron and the blue Babyless Pearl that you can get from Ulta. So I'll put that in either in this video or link below. Or you can go back and look at that video. But I did do a comparison on my daughter to see which one was better. Because this one is a lot cheaper than what you get from Ulta. You're going to save a fraction of the cost. So, first of all, let me tell y'all about this wig. I was getting a little frustrated when I was flat ironing this wig because you know when you got a low quality wig, and hopefully you know when you got a low quality wig. And this is why I had in the past used to make all my wigs myself and use higher quality hair. But you know, you get what you pay for. I guess because this is a headband wig, then, you know, I don't know if the company's just using cheaper hair, but this hair definitely does. It feels soft when you take it out the package and everything. It looks good. It looks uniform. But then, what I noticed that when I was flat ironing the hair, okay, I was noticing a lot of the, like short pieces and stuff in this wig. See, on camera, it looks good from a distance, don't it? Looks good from a distance. And I like how full it is, but then, and I don't know if you can see this, when I was flat ironing the hair with the heat, let's see, it had like a lot of short pieces in it, like a lot of, it was especially when you put heat to it. Let me see if I got a little bit more heat on this. And I don't know if you can see, like the heat was almost like lifting those short hairs, causing them to rise up. So the short hairs just kind of like, you know, coming up out of the, and it was like, you can see a bunch of it. A lot of the short hairs were just kind of like raising up off of the wig itself. So maybe you can see a little bit right here. I don't know if y'all can see that. So this tells me that, one, this is a low quality wig, and I shouldn't have like a lot of these little short hairs. I don't know if y'all can see that in here. See that? Little bits of short hair that's on this wig. Oh yeah, I knew it was low quality wig when I opened it up and saw these little pieces like this. Little, you know how you get them little white pieces, like this little piece. This don't belong here. And I was seeing some of that throughout the middle of the hair itself. Like I see some more. That's cheap hair. That's cheap quality hair. So this basically tells me, see another piece right here. This basically tells me, if I can see that. I don't know if I can see that in the little white piece. That tells me that, you know, this wig, I'm not going to get no longevity up out of this wig. That's for sure. And at this point, because of what I definitely noticed, I don't even think I'm going to even dye the hair now. Because if I dye the hair black like I wanted to, it would probably most likely damage the hair even more. Because this is not a good grade of hair. That really sucks. I had really high hopes, so. But I guess the thing is, it's going to serve its purpose on what it is intended to do, and to be just a headband wig. So let me go ahead and take off this. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead. I don't have my little brushy brush. Oh, I came unprepared, you guys. Hold on one second. Let me go ahead and put this headband wig on, y'all. This headband wig. Oh, this headband wig do not have any. Does it? I don't see it. It doesn't have those elastic hooks on here at all. So this is why. Okay, so this headband wig do not have those little elastic hooks. Half the time, them things don't even stay anyway. So I'm just gonna throw this on real quick so y'all can see how it look. Now the fit, because it doesn't have those elastic hooks, the fit on here is still secure. So really you don't even need those elastic hooks. That's what it feels like so far. Let me get my hair in here. What I should have did was just pull my hair back. Hold on. Let me just pull my hair back real quick. Typically I have like a one of those wig grip things around my head, but I'm not gonna put that on for this video. And my hair is looking crazy because my paste is looking a little white. Put this strap on. Okay, so it definitely feels secure. Put that behind my ear. And if you want to put the combs in your hair, you can. This is what the hair is looking like. I don't have one of my, I do not have one of my headbands with me, but a lot of times what I do is I'll put the straps on, and then I'll just take the back bottom comb and put it underneath the strap, or the Velcro strap. Okay, there we go. Okay, so this is what the hair is looking like right now. Straight. No curls or anything. When I put any curls in here, I might, but I'm not going to do that for the video. And the black headband, of course, I just push that up a little bit. I usually just push it up so you can see some of my edges. And that's it. So this is definitely a different alternative to the curly hairband wigs, because you don't have to worry about, you don't have, sorry. You don't have to worry about wetting the hair every single day. This is a definite get up and go, throw on and go as well. And it does blend in with my hair. You see, does that blend in? See that? See them little white pieces in my hair? I mean, in my headband wig. But it definitely blends in with. It can definitely blend in with my hair. And no, I'm not gonna dye this because I already know dyeing this wig is gonna give me problems. So in order for me to hold the longevity of this particular wig, I'm just gonna have to let it be. I might get back in the process of make my own headband wig, because I know I have some quality hair on my headband wig. And then if I do that, when I do that, I am going to let y'all know, because I probably end up just selling them. Quality hair on a headband wig that's gonna give you some longevity. It's cute for what it's gonna do. Like I said, you get what you pay for. It definitely looks like if your hair was, is this silky? It's not like yucky, and it's not yucky, that's for sure. So I would call it silky, but it's a silky that can still blend in with your hair as long as you got your edges straightened or laid down with some edge control. If you don't, and you got them, you got your little nappity nap showing, then that ain't gonna work. So you definitely need to slick your hair down. But other than that, y'all, I keep looking at this monitor to see how it looks. This will definitely be my get up and go again. And I will probably start sporting this one to the end of my 3 weeks. This is what the hair is looking like in the back. This is how far, if y'all can see that. Yeah. I didn't want anything long, anything drastic, or anything like that. So this would definitely work. This would definitely work when you go on running, working out, and everything else. Or put on a little hat. Of course, my braids will need to be a little bit more flatter than what they are now. And they're not as flat as I would like them to be. But it does give you, you know. People still might think this is your hair. So with that being said, this video has been long enough. I try to keep my videos at least 15 minutes. When it starts getting up there, it's time for me to wrap it up. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up, y'all. Let me know what y'all think about this headband wig from Luvme Hair. And I will catch y'all in my next video. If you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And click that notification bell. And I'll see y'all in my next video. God bless.